Roll, 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 roll. Nina looking way, she no bust to sweat. She smoking cigarettes with a sexy figure. Hey. Nina looking way, she no bust to sweat. She smoking cigarettes with a sexy figure. Hey. Nina, 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 Nina. Nina, 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 Nina.
Cooking, I'm whipping for real.
Got fishes and y'all on my grill. I know they fuck with others ratchets, cause they too they like on your free. My Nina, she hot and she real. If a point that you ready to kill, I told her.
Hey yo, Flow Show. I saw you did do my first BR in battle, and you giving me bash. This is madness. God, yes, you making me battling for balloony. I guess you in for some violence. Where I came posting like he brought their owner the way I'm a lodge ratchet, and surely you about to see him doing the bleedings when I leave these jiggies with slashes of katana preceding. I mean, I'm gonna let each stroke come before one name like fraudulent dealing. Swear he must be tripping, thinking gonna win this. Yo, I came striped. Gather pieces like I want dispose ways for a close stylist. Cause see if I'm king and he can't see it's there, it's right. I show him mad fist. Left hand, drag him. The right hand moves to the shore bash on like is this a tribal feud? I'm that skilled, and anytime I get aggressive, dark episodes clip be mocking. Bullet bat to drop him like he irons on cafe. And if this bitch be lucky, find a put cracks on his head like cocaine streets hawking like fuck it. You should know I slay roughly and the aim clumsy, bro. He die ugly. But to put his arms to your body, cause here they love hugging. I'm not who to play with. A Bruce Bane that is known for putting bears above men like I reverse the food chain. And when I'm done with you, it's your brother's nest. I'ma go for your blood and they all gonna die in the same vein. Cause yo, I can burn a revolver. 6 shooters, big nose, can't waste bullets. Let the K-mark the nigga just to keep the clip short like another Ibrahim choking. First 3 shots, gets you there like a bad drinker. The 4th, like cheddar, have the whole open, and if that should get him dizzy, then 5th's gonna be behind the mother. Meaning, even if this is another match mayhem, you ain't getting no glory. I mean, you're a delusional rookie who thinks watching Romnity will make him all witty. Bro, this is battle rap and what it is, so don't mimic. We work different. You click clothes for a living. I dirty clothes to fulfill a fun living. And it's gonna be artistry. Do you must scroll this nigga head to the wall like it's graffiti? Or have the bet on him, drag the bastard while you all think is a champ for re, bang on knee, even if Saitama couldn't lift his head cause snake. This one punch man will leave him dead in re, like an IG death. Don't get this man to verse. Or probably stalking having him. 20 ways to kill a clown. Anyways, you getting killed on cam. Kick the shoulder to the sheet on cramp, then go for his eye like typical NCA news, you know. Let the sports come last. I'm not who to play with. His real name is Chigoze, and his nigga score in can. When it's right, I make my niggas do the garbage when they dispose of can. So I'm a bank on the fast. Ball cut him short like he's in need of some cash. Whack and dots. Reason he ain't got no queen in his life. Leave fake and go school. You get a queen in your life? No, check your timeline. You look like an old repeller. This bash ain't us. Aboliki will do our better. And it's time, motherfucker.
Now I could decide to murder this pussy in his mother tongue. Not to me one me la mojo. So it's right to make rain fall. A man is a prisoner of his addictions. So call me Scofield. Cause no matter the record of prison break I have, nigga, I'm still someone gonna end up in bars. Your real name Adam, but no one give a damn about you. When this righteous pray, you have nowhere to run, fool. Like the 90s movies. Hold up. Prison Break, Van Damme, nowhere to run. 90s movies. Oh, you're gonna get that soon. Hey, finally, we've got Bash Run Vicious. Bitch, you super ran on IG. And for that, best believe, I brought super flips. For example, I'm dope with the pen. So call me Adenuga with the one I'm about to review super stories. What do you want to use against me? Or you want to use fire angles and make a mockery of the fact that I run a laundry? Well, read me this. How the fuck is you, Superman? But I'm the man of steel. BRN. Be chasing a plate longer than an hungry man should. Only to be served this pussy? Cool. Now it's Z shot, pop. His noodles on the floor, like toddlers eating. Followed by a tummy shot, pop. Now Spot Pack's fucked up, like this are booking no try for my Indomie. Stab him with the knife and drag it all the way down until it's stuck, bringing a whole new little meaning to super glue. Beam on my stick. The shit we have this life follow you. Nigga, that's the super trooper on stage. Death, a universal language. So is this sucker made. The recoil from this gun, it has a super effect. The kickback will kick a nigga out faster than Route 23. Bitch, that's the flow effect. Fuck these guns. Let's get physical. I'll kick your ass, and if a man tries to jump in, I'll kick his ass too. This right, we have Superman punch. Nigga, that's the range victim. Your gun pass, please stop, cause we ain't feeling. It makes us remember our squad under Genotro. What that mean? All I'm trying to say is that I'm not a Super Eagles fan. Oh, fuck that. I said the thought I have for rent is nothing but criminal. I'll have my young dog rub it dirty and they're gonna do a clean job, bitch. And best believe it, cause I'm a supervisor, bitch. Hey, I thought this platform was for adults and not for kids. On that note, Flo, what the fuck got super booked? Like, is this the Bible animated series for kids? I looked up your grams and your real name Adam Akbayemi Adepoju, and that's fact. See, history in the Bible added that the first Adam was kicked out of paradise because a bitch deceived him to eat the forbidden fruit. And that's sad. Unrelated, you tried to intimidate me with the fact that you battled before, but you are yet to even show me a fucking clip of yours. Maybe it's because you are used to having your ass whooped a lot. And now you are out here looking for redemption. Hey, watch me rewrite history in another dimension. Do y'all believe in the parallel universe? Because I do. The first Adam had the first Ratchet take the first bite at the apple. Nigga, this Ratchet will stop this Adam from the second bite at the apple. Bitch, you're a rapper, right? Well, I'll be a damn fool to make a mockery of the legit hustle my fellow man chose in life. But listen carefully because I have a super advice. Proverbs 18:16. The talent of a man opened a door for him. So if you're not making money off your shit or getting famous by it, then you need another career in life. Damn, bitch, you're lucky this 3 minutes.